guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Switi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, as you will all know that Durga Puja is around the corner, and so I decided to create some looks for Durga Puja, and it is super easy, super lightweight and really easy to get. So if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching, and before then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. And also I would suggest you to go to my description box because all the products that I will be using in this video are linked down below. So let's get started. So first things first, my face is bare. I have nothing on my face, so I'm going to start off with some moisturization, and for that I'm taking the Sheer Secrets lotion over here. All the products will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And I'm gonna massage it all over my face so that, because I have a dry skin type, so that my face doesn't feel cracked or chapped. Now next step is for the sunscreen, and for that I'm taking the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunscreen, and I'm gonna dot it all over my face. Although I don't put the tube all over my face, but it's just the way I'm doing it right now. I'm just gonna massage it all over my face. It is a really good sunscreen. It does not leave any white cast on the face, which is really good. Now for primer, I'm taking the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and I'm gonna use it all over my face so that all the pores that I have done are filled in up. Make sure that you take a 10-minute gap before your makeup. And for serum, I'm taking the Wet n Wild serum because I need a little bit hydration. You guys know, if you are a dry skin type, then you know the struggle. So I'm gonna just spread it all over my face and gonna leave my skin for 10 minutes, and after that I'm gonna apply makeup so that my moisturization and primer just got absorbed into my skin and my face is ready for makeup. Next, for some glow, I'm taking the Strobe cream and applying it all over my face. I'm taking very little amount because I just want a little bit of glowiness into the skin, so that I'm using before my foundation, so that get that luminous glow before to step into the foundation. And now I'm doing my brows. For that I'm taking the Etude House Drawing My Brows in the shade Dark Brown. I'm just gonna brush through my brows and start filling them up. I'm doing my brows really usually, it's not so special, but you can do in whichever way you prefer it to be. And next step is I'm gonna take the Kiko Milano Lengthening Mascara, and I'm just gonna take the excess and just gonna brush through my brows really lightly with a really light hand. I'm just gonna set them up so that they doesn't move because I'm not using any solid product to set my brows, so this mascara will hold them for a while and my brows stay in shape. And now I'm gonna start off my base with the Elegant Pro Conceal, and I'm in the shade Medium Beige, so I'm just gonna use it on the usual areas that I like to use. So yes, I'm using it around underneath my eyes, on the inner corners and outer corners of my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the chin and around my mouth, and also on the hollows of my cheek where I have a little bit of darkness over there, and a little more on my forehead just to cancel out any kind of darkness. And now I'm gonna blend that on with my damp sponge. I'm just gonna start off by this area, and I'm gonna let my under eye set for a while. So I'm not gonna really use foundation on my forehead because I've already applied some concealer, and I don't think that forehead does need a lot of product because we keep doing like this, and everybody has natural lines. So just to avoid the creasing, I am not going to apply foundation on it. For foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm just gonna use it only on my face, and I'm looking very tad bit of amount because I already have concealer on my face. I'm just gonna quickly blend it up. Because I've already applied concealer before my foundation, so the amount of foundation that I'm gonna use is very light, very minimal, because the pigmentation that has to be covered up has already done by the concealer, so it does work. And now for setting up my face, I'm taking the Fit Me Loose powder from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade Light. I'm just gonna bake my under eyes, and whatever is left on my sponge, I'm just gonna dab it all over my face. And for contour, I'm taking the Colorbar Flawless Touch Contour and Highlighters palette, and I'm just taking the contour shade from it and start contouring the hollows of my cheeks, just to make my face look a little sculpted up. And also I'm gonna contour my nose, because yes, that is an important part, because my nose is not naturally slim or something. So I'm gonna contour my nose with the same contour. I'm taking really light because it's highly pigmented. And now it's time for bronzing up the face. I'm taking the Rimmel bronzer in the shade Sunkissed, and I'm just gonna do it over my contour to hide any kind of harsh lines are there, and just to soften up the look a little bit. Going over my jawline. And for my eyes, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette and taking the darkest brown shade over here, and I'm gonna cover all of my whole eyelid with this color, because it's an easy look, so there is no tough eye makeup. I'm just gonna blend that color all over, and I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. And now I'm taking this shimmer shade. It has a little bit of peach and pink effect to it. I'm just taking it, and with the help of my finger, I'm just gonna start it dabbing onto my lid. You can pull this look off on any occasions if you feel like, because it's so simple to create, and it's just like a 2 eyeshadow look. And I'm gonna just dust off the excess powder that is lying underneath my eyes, and as you can see, it gives a little bit of brightening effect, which I'm loving these days lately. And for eyeliner, I'm taking the gel pen eyeliner, and I'm just gonna start creating a wing. Guys, I'm not very pro at this, so I'm still learning of it. If you are a pro, if you know how to pull off a wing liner, then do let me know in the comment section below that if you are a pro at it. And I'm just gonna apply in whichever way I can do it. And for mascara, I'm taking the Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes Mascara. It really works really great on the lower lash lines, and I highly recommend this. If you want to invest in a mascara, then you can totally go for this. And after this, I'm just gonna complete my lower lash line, and I'm taking the same dark shade that I've applied on my lid. And for the blush, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty palette, and just gonna apply it a little bit amount because it's pigmented. So I'm gonna take a very little amount of it, and I'm just gonna dust off the excess and transfer it on my cheeks, just to have a little blush and natural cheeky shade. Also gonna apply a little bit on the chin because I'm seeing this trend these days. So yes. And now to fill my inner corners of my eyes, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette, and taking the silver shade and putting it onto the inner corners of my eyes just to accentuate them a little. And now for the face, I'm taking the rose gold shade and start working it on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, on the high points of my cheeks, and finishing up this look with lipstick and a bindi. And guys, this is the final look that I came up with. It's super easy to pull off. As you can see, the products are not so high and it's easy to get, it's affordable. And yes, so if you like this video, then do let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new tutorials that I upload every single time. And also let me know what kind of tutorials you want me to do and what you would like to see on me. And if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye, take care.